Good morning, all of you. How are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with our new chapter, that is our body. So let's just study together. So now you can see there is a boy with so many body parts. So in this you have to circle the correct names for the different parts of the body. So let's just do it together. So you can see hair. So it is written hair or arm. So what is the right answer is hair. So these are hairs. Now you can see there are eyes. We have two eyes. So here it is written eye and nose. So the right answer is eye. Then you see the nose below the eye. So is it nose or hand? It is your nose. Then you see below the neck there are other body parts. So toe or chest. So this is your chest portion. Now you see the limbs, that are your arms, with the help of which you write, you eat and do so many other activities with your arms. So what is this portion? This portion is your elbow. Now the next is your lower limb, that is your leg portion with which you can walk, you can run. So now below that is foot or chest. So it is foot. Now this is the joint portion, that is hand or knee. So this is your knee. The next you see there are so many fingers with the help of which you can write, you can eat. So are they finger or foot? They are your fingers. Now you see the smiling face of the boy. So this is the eye or mouth? Yes, this is your mouth. Next you see the ears, with the help of which we hear the different types of sound. So the right answer is ear. And the area above your eyes, this is your forehead. So you will mark this is your head. So this complete is your head portion. So this way we have marked all the correct names for the different parts of the body. Now what we are going to learn in this chapter is head, neck and torso. Then your chest, your abdomen, waist, back and buttocks. Then arms, legs, skin and about our private parts. Sense organs, we all know we have 5 sense organs as we have learned in your last classes as well, from which we can sense our environment. Can we recall that? Yeah, that are your eyes, nose, tongue, ears and your skin. Then is your overcoming disability and taking care of your sense organs. So let's just start the chapter. So our body is like a machine. So हमारी body कैसी है? हमारी body एक machine की तरह है. It can see, it can smell, it can hear, taste and feel. No machine can do all these things. Only human body can do all these things. Our body is made up of different parts. Some parts are single and some part are in pairs. तो हमारी body के कुछ part pair में है और कुछ part single है. Like we have 2 eyes, we have 2 ears, but we have 1 nose, 1 tongue, right? Now if you look into a mirror, you can see many parts of your body. You must have seen mirror. In the morning time, we see mirror when we get ready for school. We see ourselves in the mirror. So we can see all the body parts. Let us learn about some of the body parts one by one in this class. First of all, we'll start with the head. You can see the head. There are hair, your sense organs, then your face. The head is the uppermost part of the body. हमारी body का uppermost part है. The head is covered with hair. तो हमारे head पे काफ़ी hairs होते हैं. ठीक है, hairs का color differ हो सकता है, hair की length अलग हो सकती है. Like girls के long hair होते हैं, boys के generally short hair होते हैं. The front part of the head is called the face. तो हमारे head का जो front part होता है उसे face कहते हैं. The face includes the pair of eye, mouth, nose on the front side, and the pair of ears, one on the either side. Then is your neck portion. You must have seen your mothers wearing some kind of necklace in the neck. So this is your neck portion. The neck joins our head and the rest of the body. तो हमारे head और बाकी body को कौन attach करता है, कौन join करता है? Your neck portion. The neck allows us to turn our head up and down, जिसकी वजह से हम अपना head जो है up and down, left and right turn कर सकते हैं. And move the head in circles also, और अपने head को circular motion में move कर सकते हैं. Now, which animal has the longest neck in the world? Can you guess? Yes, giraffe. Right answer. So now we'll study about torso. What is torso actually? The chest, abdomen and the back together make up the torso. That is your chest portion, your abdomen portion and your back. This together is known as torso. Now you can see in the picture as well, front and back and all the parts labeled. The neck joins the head and the torso. तो जो neck जो है क्या करती है, वो head को torso से join करती है. Now we'll study individually the part of the torso. First of all, we'll study about the chest. The chest protects the internal organs like lungs. अब हमारी body के जो internal organs होते हैं, जिसे हम externally नहीं देख सकते, जो body के अंदर के organs होते हैं, वो chest के अंदर protected होते हैं, जैसे कि lungs हो गया, heart हो गया, from external shocks. Okay, come to next page. Then is your abdomen. The abdomen is located between the chest and the thighs. तो जो हमारी chest और जो legs जहाँ पे हमारा start होता है thighs area, उन दोनों के जो बीच का portion होता है, that is your abdomen. Then is your waist. Waist मतलब हमारी कमर. The waist is the body part between the buttocks and the chest. ठीक है, हमारे hip और chest के जो बीच का portion होता है, that is your waist. That is your कमर. Okay. The waist also contains the belly button, the center of your belly, that is your belly button. The back part of the torso includes the back and the buttocks. तो torso का जो back part होता है, that we have seen in the picture, तो उसमें हमारा back और जो hip area है, that comes in the torso. Now, what is back? The back help us to move the body. Back की वजह से हम body को move कर पाते हैं and keep our posture proper. हमारा जो body का posture है, बैठने का, खड़े होने का, वो हम उसे properly back की वजह से maintain कर सकते हैं. We sleep on our back. हम अपनी back पे sleep करते हैं, कमर के उससे. We can turn by using our back. So जो हम turn लेते हैं, either left side or right side with the help of our back. Now buttocks. The buttocks are located above the thighs. Thighs से ऊपर होते हैं. They give a cushion when we sit on something. जब हम बैठते हैं तो जो area होता है, जो touch होता है surface को, that is your buttocks. Now you have to choose the correct option. The head is covered with hair or scales. Yes, hair. The waist or neck contains the belly. Yes, waist. The back or waist keeps our posture proper. Yes, back. Now we'll study about arms. Okay, this is our upper limbs, we can say. We have one pair of arm, left and right. Each arm is joined to the torso at the shoulder. तो हमारे shoulder से वो connected है हमारी दोनों arms. The different parts of the arms are your upper arm, your elbow, your wrist, जहाँ पे हम अपनी wrist watch पहनते हैं, and your palm, then are your fingers. We use our arms for holding, to lift something, to push something, throwing, and even sensing the things around us. We use our hands for writing, playing, swimming, and even eating our food. You can see all the label parts of your arms in the picture as well. Now there is an activity. Tick the items that you use when you wash your hands. Brush? No. Tap? Yes, tap we use to wash our hands. Soap we use the towel and we do not use the nail clipper. Come to next page. Then we'll study about the leg. Leg is your lower limb. So we have one pair of leg. Each leg is joined to the torso at the hip. तो torso जो हमारा portion है, ठीक है, leg हमारी उससे connected है with the help of our hip. You can see the labeled part in the picture as well. This is your thigh area. Then this is your knee. Then is your calf muscles, the back side of your leg, below the knee. Then is your ankle. And this is your sole. And the last one is your heel area, where when we see a girl wearing a sandal with the heels, so this is your heel area, and the finger of your foot is known as toe. Now the different parts of the leg are thigh, knee, calf, shin and ankle. The part below the ankle is called the foot, पैर जिसे हम कहते हैं. We use our leg for dancing. अब हम अपनी leg की मदद से डांस कर सकते हैं, स्केटिंग कर सकते हैं, साइकिलिंग कर सकते हैं, रनिंग कर सकते हैं, वॉकिंग कर सकते हैं, and so many things we can do with the help of our legs. Now we'll study about skin. Skin कहाँ है? हमारी पूरी body में है. Skin एक सबसे बड़ा sense organ है. So skin is the largest organ of our body. It covers the whole body and it also protects the inner parts of our body ताकि उसमें germs ना लगे और कोई injuries ना हो. Private parts. Now we'll study about something which is very important to know, that is your private parts. Now, private parts are the one through which we urinate, we go to pee in the morning and defecate. We cover these parts with undergarments. So, हम अपने inner wears पहनते हैं उन parts को cover करने के लिए. We need to clean our private parts regularly. तो हमें proper hygiene maintain करना चाहिए, a good amount of hygiene. If you notice unusual things like you feel rashes or you feel itching over there, so you should inform your parents or either you should consult a doctor. Now, lips, your chest and the area between your legs where you wear your undergarments, these all are your private parts. Now, we'll study about sensory organs. It is necessary for us to know what is happening in our surroundings. तो हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है ये हमें जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो हम अपने environment को sense कैसे कर पाते हैं? अपने sense organs की मदद से, which we have discussed that we have 5 sense organs. Now you can see in the picture eyes, nose, ear, tongue and skin. These are your sense organs. Now it helps us to decide what to do in any situation. And we can keep ourselves safe. हम अपने आप को कैसे safe रखेंगे? Now, how do we sense what is happening around us? हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है? हम इसे कैसे sense करेंगे? It is our ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin which tell us about our surroundings. Therefore, they are known as sensory organs. First of all, we study about eyes, the important organ of our body. You can see in the picture the child studying the book, reading the book. It allows you to see the color and shapes of the things. तो हम अपनी eyes की मदद से क्या करते हैं children? कलर देखते हैं, शेप देखते हैं, इस पूरे वर्ल्ड को देखते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल चीज़ें देखते हैं. So we can also guess the distance of the things from us कि कोई चीज़ हमसे कितनी दूर है और हम decide करते हैं when we need to walk or not. Then is your ears. You can see the child hearing a music here. So we hear with our ears. The ears tells us whether the sound we hear is sweet or harsh. कि जो sound हम सुन रहे हैं वो pleasant है या हमारे लिए एक noise है, harsh है. So they also tells us from which direction a sound is coming. और हमें sound सुन के हमें ये भी पता चल जाता है कि आवाज़ किस direction से आ रही है, left से आ रही है, right से आ रही है या हमारे पीछे कोई whispering कर रहा है. Nose. We can smell with our nose. You can see the girl is smelling the flower. We perceive the sense of fragrant flower, खुशबूदार फूल, because of the nose. अगर हमारी nose नहीं होगी तो हमें कोई distinguish नहीं हम कर पाएंगे कि हम कहाँ खड़े हैं, garbage के पास खड़े हैं या perfume या flowers के साथ खड़े हैं. It is also the nose which tells us that there is a foul smell in the air, कि हमारे आसपास कोई foul smell आ रही है, बदबू आ रही है, कि जिसकी वजह से हमें अपने नोज पे हैंकरचीफ रखना है. Now we study the tongue. We'll see the boy who is enjoying his ice cream. We can taste with our tongue. It is due to the tongue that we know about different type of taste. अब हमें अपनी टंग से ही अलग अलग टेस्ट का पता चलता है, जैसे कि कोई चीज स्वीट है, सॉल्टी है, बिटर है या फिर सार है, मीठी है, नमकीन है, कड़वी है या खट्टी है. Now we study skin. We come to know if something we touch is hot or cold, rough or smooth. तो किसी भी चीज का टेक्सचर, कोई चीज गर्म है या ठंडी, ये सब हमें कैसे पता चलता है? जब हम उसे टच करते हैं. तो टच करने वाला सेंस ऑर्गन होता है हमारा स्किन. नाउ ओवरकमिंग डिसेबिलिटी. नाउ व्हाट इज डिसेबिलिटी? डिसेबिलिटी का मतलब होता है जब हम अपने किसी बॉडी पार्ट को प्रॉपरली यूज नहीं कर पाते, उसको हम बोलते हैं डिसेबिलिटी. वी मस्ट हैव सीन सम स्पेशल किड्स हमारे आसपास जिसके मे बी बोन में प्रॉब्लम है, लेग में, हैंड्स में, तो वो डिसेबल चाइल्ड है, ठीक है, या वो डिसेबल पर्सन है. तो वो अपनी उन चीजों को ओवरकम कैसे करता है अपनी जिंदगी को सरवाइव करने के लिए. सो विल स्टडी दिस टू हाउ टू ओवरकम द डिसेबिलिटी. If any part of our body does not function properly, we face many difficulties. हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है. In such a situation, our movements are not smooth. उस समय हमारी मूवमेंट इतनी स्मूथ नहीं होती. सपोज अगर हमें एक हैंड से काम करना है, दूसरे हैंड का यूज नहीं करना, सो ये हमारे लिए एक डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली ये सिचुएशन एक डिसेबल पर्सन के लिए भी हो जाती है. But such situations can be overcome, and some of these disabilities can be corrected either by some medical treatment also. Now you can see in the picture, a visually challenged means this person cannot see, or he or she can partially see the things but not properly as we can see. So a visually challenged person can use a white cane. तो इसके हाथ में एक स्टिक है जिसे हम केन कहते हैं. इसकी हेल्प से वो चल रहा है क्योंकि वो विजुअली मीन्स वो देख नहीं सकता, विजुअली चैलेंज्ड है. In the next picture, the child is using some kind of hearing aid in the ear. क्योंकि उसको सुनने में प्रॉब्लम है तो उसने एक कान में एक छोटा सा डिवाइस लगा रखा है जिसकी वजह से वो प्रॉपरली हमें सुन पा रहा है. So a person who cannot hear well can use a hearing aid. Now you can see in the next picture the girl on the wheelchair. If there is a defect in the leg, a special wheelchair can be used because she cannot walk. So she'll move with the help of a wheelchair. Now taking care of sense organs. अब हमें अपने sense organs का कैसे ध्यान रखना चाहिए? We should take care of our sense organs and the functioning of our body. You can see the eyes. Eat a healthy diet. जैसे कि हमें green vegetables, fruits, milk, ये सारी चीजें हमें कंज्यूम करनी चाहिए जिससे कि हमारी आई साइट स्ट्रांग रहे. और हमें ज़्यादा स्क्रीन टाइम नहीं रखना चाहिए. वी शुड अवॉइड वॉचिंग टीवी एंड मोबाइल फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम जिससे कि हमारी आई साइट में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. नाउ इज योर ईयर्स. नेवर यूज सम पॉइंटेड थिंग्स विदाउट द परमिशन ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स. नेवर यूज एनी पॉइंटेड थिंग्स टू क्लीन द ईयर्स. अपने ईयर्स को क्लीन करने के लिए. अवॉइड लिसनिंग टू लाउड म्यूजिक. ज़्यादा लाउड म्यूजिक भी हमें नहीं सुनना चाहिए. नोज. नेवर पोक द नोज with any pointed thing. Same way हमें नोज में अपने कोई पॉइंटेड चीज नहीं यूज करनी चाहिए. यूज अ हैंकी when you sneeze or cough. जब हम खांसते हैं या छींकते हैं तो वो जर्म्स कहीं और जा सकते हैं, किसी को सिक कर सकते हैं, तो उस समय हमें हैंकरचीफ यूज करना चाहिए. Tongue. Clean the tongue using a tongue cleaner. In the morning when you brush your teeth, you must clean your tongue as well. Wash your mouth properly after every meal. आपने हर मील के बाद प्रॉपरली अपनी टंग को भी वॉश करना चाहिए. Skin. Take a bath every day. Okay. So consult a doctor. If you see any kind of rashes on the skin or itching, you need to consult a doctor. Okay. So with this we have done with the chapter. Let's just recall. The head is the uppermost part of the body. Neck joins the head and the rest of the body. The chest, abdomen and the back make up your torso. Our arms are joined to the torso with the help of your shoulder. The skin is the largest organ of our body. Private parts are the ones that through which you urinate and defecate. So let's just do the conceptual assessment now. Say yes and no. The front part of the head is called the face. Yes. The elbow, wrist and palm are the part of your leg. No. Arm. The skin covers your whole body. Yes. Now you have to take your pick. The lungs and heart are protected by neck, chest or abdomen. So this is your chest portion. So B is the correct answer. We sleep on our waist, neck or back. Yes, back. Which is the largest organ of our body? Head, neck or skin? Yes, skin is the right answer. Now, which part of our body allows us to turn our head? किससे हम अपना head को turn करते हैं? With the help of neck. So we'll write neck allows us to turn our head. Which part of the body together makes up the torso? So this is your answer. The chest, abdomen and the back together make up the torso. Okay. Now, how do we sense what is happening around us? हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है हम कैसे sense करेंगे? With the help of our sense organs. So write down. We sense what is happening around us with the help of sense organs. Okay, so with this we have done our conceptual part. Now moving to next. Now, competency based assessment. You have to color the face and label its various parts as given in the help box. Look at the picture. You have to color the box with the green where sense organs are used and with the blue where other body parts are used. So you can this as your home task. Now, how can you help a child who can't speak? So this way you have to think how you can help a child who cannot speak, who cannot walk, who cannot hear. Okay class, so with this we have done with the chapter. Meet you in the next class. Stay tuned.